Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to talk about the new Palantir updates. Before we get into this video, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like. It really helps me out and I will appreciate that loads. So before we get into this video, I want to show you my Palantir holding at this moment in time. And as you can see, I've got 119 shares of Palantir and I'm actually down £57, but that's just because of the exchange rate, because I live in the UK. Thing is with Palantir, earlier yesterday it went up to about, I think, yeah, $27.40, but then it got a huge downgrade and it fell flat on its feet. Well, I say flat on its feet, it went down 2.67%. Which is a shame because they did have some good news with the contracts, and that's another thing I want to update you guys with. I felt a bit ill last night, so I didn't really know about the news until this morning, and now I'm making this video and I wanted to update you guys because I didn't tell you about this news that I found. So the thing is with Palantir right now is it keeps trading up and down, kind of sideways after they get good news and then they get bad news. And the good news is the contracts that they've been getting, and then the bad news is the institutions downgrading Palantir. I think one of the reasons why they're downgrading Palantir is because they want it at a cheaper price. They did this with Tesla, and I just think people should kind of ignore the analyst ratings at this moment in time. We also did get a good one from Jefferies Group, which was $30, but this is not helping the stock price at this moment in time. So Palantir was selected to deliver a prototype for the Army's ground station modernisation, and the contract value for this phase is $8.5 million, but the potential of this contract could be $250, which is very good. A massive contract that would be if Palantir win this over. So that's just a brief overview of that potential contract that they could reach. I did mention a bit of this in my last video, but I thought I'd mention the $250 million potential that they could have, because I didn't know about that before. Another contract Palantir could be getting is from the FDI Tech. Yeah, from FDI Tech. So Rapid Phased Prototyping, RPP. As an important part of FDI Tech, the Rapid Phased Prototyping competition is designed to accelerate the adoption of modern technological tools to help financial institutions, particularly community banks, provide more timely and granular data to the FDIC in more effective and efficient manner. In addition, these new tools will help the FDIC gain greater insight into the financial health of these institutions and allow for more efficient supervision. The FDIC intends to rely upon a rapid phased prototyping approach in this and future competitions. So there were 11 companies that got selected for this contract. So in December, they were in phase 3 and they're nearly at phase 4, which is where they get selected and who gets the contract, which will be selected in March. I'll just show you a few of the companies that have got selected. So some of these are the other companies that have got selected. I will leave a link in the description if I remember, if you want to check out this page a bit more. The thing is with Palantir as well, I feel like a lot of investors at this moment in time are also on the sidelines wanting to see demo day from Palantir on January the 26th to see if this company's got that potential, if the data's any good, if they believe in the data that they produce and the software. Once they do a good demo day presentation, we could see some more upside with this company, which is going to be really good and positive. But the only thing that's holding this stock back, I think, is the lockup period. People are, I think, scared of buying into it because they believe it's going to drop. And then they're like, that's when I'm going to put more money into it. So they're just waiting on the sidelines for that, when even with this lockup period, that might never happen. It might not drop to $18 or $20. It might actually stay the same, if not go up, because the insiders might not want to sell at these prices, because why would they at this moment in time? Like, they know what the potential of this company could be. It's been $30 before, if a bit higher than that, and we're not trading at that, so they'll be losing out there. I just think there won't be that much of a downside. Well, I hope anyway, and if it does, it does, and now it's out of the way and it's done. But I think a lot of people are waiting with their cash, wanting to buy into Palantir with this lockup period coming, and the price could go down, and that's when they're going to buy into it. So once this lockup period, around 14th of Feb, I think it is, I might be wrong on that. Once that's finished, I think we can start seeing more improvements on the stock price appreciation with Palantir. So my thoughts at this moment in time with Palantir is I am planning on buying more. I am planning on buying more Palantir, but there's a but. Only if it drops to a price of $22, $23 again. It might not even reach them levels again, and I'm completely fine with that. I'm fine either way if it goes up or down. But if it does get to $22, $23, I'll be looking at buying some more shares of it. At this moment in time, I don't really want to put my money in because we still don't know either way where it's going to go. If it does go to that, I just think it's such a buying opportunity at $22, $23 that I'm just buy a few more shares of Palantir if it gets to that. I'd love to know your thoughts on where Palantir is going to go in the next few months. How many shares have you got of Palantir? And also, if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and you can follow my journey with Palantir or all my other stocks I've got in my portfolio. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. It means so much to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully there's some more good news with Palantir.